Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is called as the what? The basic concept of what here? The chemistry. Okay. Now we take the how many different types of concept in the chemistry. We take the one by one here. Okay. So first of all, we take the basics. First question is that what is element? Okay. Second, what is atom? Third, what is molecule? Fourth, types of molecule. Types of what here? Molecules. Fifth, compound. Okay, we take the one by one here. First of all, what is the elements? So, element is what here? The substance which does not break into simple chemical reactions. A substance which does not break into simple chemical reactions called as what here? The elements. For example, you know, in periodic table there are 118 element in the periodic table. Short form PT called as periodic table. Clear बेटा? Elements क्या होते हैं? वो कंपाउंड है या वो सब्सटेंस है वो सिंपल केमिकल रिएक्शन ब्रेक नहीं होता है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर? सो इट इज कॉल्ड एलिमेंट्स. सो एलिमेंट इज डिफाइंड एज द सब्सटेंस व्हिच डज नॉट ब्रेक इनटू सिंपल केमिकल रिएक्शंस. सो इट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट हियर? सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? एलिमेंट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, देयर आर इन द periodic table how many element? 118 element in the periodic table. So this periodic table is also called what here? This periodic table is also called as what here? Modern periodic table. What here? Short form में PT. Modern periodic table. In this table, there is a how many element? 118 element. Who discovered the modern periodic table? So the name scientist Henry Moseley. He discovered the what? Modern periodic table. This table is also called as what here? Long extended periodic table. Okay, clear? So it means that there is a different types of a topic here. First topic, elements is what here? The simple substance which does not decompose into simple chemical reactions. So it is called what here? Elements. Second one, we take the what here? Atoms. What is atom? So atom is defined as the substance which does not or a substance which take part in the chemical reactions. What is atom? Atom is a substance which take part in the chemical reactions. For example, C plus O2, what we get? We get CO2. It is a chemical reactions. What is CO? What indicates atom? Atom is a substance. It is carbon is act as atom. This oxygen also act as what here? Atom. So atom is defined as it is the smallest particle of element. Atom is the smallest particle of element which take part in the chemical reactions. Atom is the smallest particle of element which take part in the chemical reaction. So it is called what here? Atom. For example, C plus O2, what we get? CO2. So in this reaction, the C also atom, oxygen also atom to form CO2. CO2 is called what here? Molecule. The CO2 is called what here? Beta? Molecule. Clear beta? Atom मतलब क्या होता है? It is the smallest particle of element which take part in the chemical reactions called as the what here? Atoms. Clear? Carbon in this chemical reaction, the C is carbon is atom, O2 oxygen also atom to form the molecule. Clear? So what is the element? Element is a simple substance which does not decompose into simple chemical reactions called as what here? Element. Whereas what is atom? Atom is the smallest particle of element. For example, chalk. For example, it is a chalk. For example, it is a chalk. This chalk is called as element, and the dust particle is called as what here? Atom. Clear? So atom is the smallest particle of element which take part in the chemical reactions called as atom. Third point, molecules. What is molecule? So molecule is defined as what is molecule? So molecule is defined as a combination of two or more atoms. Here, these two atoms. The combination of two atoms to form the molecule. So what is molecule? molecule means the combination of two or more atoms in the chemical reactions called as to form the molecule. Okay, molecule made up two or more atoms. So it's called what here? Molecule. So question, define the molecule. So molecule, it means the combination of two or more atoms called as the to form what? Molecule. So this CO2 are act as molecule, whereas carbon and O2 are acting what here? Atom. Clear? Point number next, types of molecule. So there are different types of molecule, like that of what here? Monomolecule, dimolecule, trimolecule, depend upon the atom. Clear? If the two atom is called a dimolecule, if the three atom is called a trimolecule, depend upon the atom here. Clear? For example, what is a monoatomic molecule? Means a molecule contain one atom called as monoatomic molecule. Second, diatomic molecule is a molecule which contain two atoms called as diatomic molecule. Triatomic molecule, the molecule which contain three atoms called as triatomic molecule. And more than three atoms in a molecule, more than three atoms in a molecule, it is also called as a polyatomic molecule. Clear? What is monoatomic molecule? So the molecule which contain one atom called as a monoatomic molecule. The molecule which contain two atoms called as what here? Diatomic molecule. The molecule which contain how many atoms? Three atoms called as triatomic molecule. And the more than three atoms in the molecule called as what here? Polyatomic molecule. Clear? It is types of molecule. Depend upon the atom. One atom, monoatomic molecule. Two atom, diatomic molecule. Three atom, triatomic molecule. And more than three atom called as what here? Polyatomic molecule. Point number next, what is a compound? So compound, it also have a two types. The compound, it also have a two types. What is first? Homogeneous compound. Homogeneous compound. And second is called what here? Heterogeneous compound. Homogeneous compound and second heterogeneous compound. What is homogeneous compound? So the compound which contain a same phases. It means both our atom are which are soluble in nature. It means two phase. One is solid, second liquid. For example, NaCl and water. These two phases are homogeneous. Means a compound which formed by the same phases of the element called as a homogeneous compound. Homo means same. Second, what is heterogeneous compound? The compound which contains different phases of atom called as a heterogeneous compound. Clear? So what is homogeneous compound? So the compound defined as the any compound which contains a same phases of a atom called as what here? Homogeneous compound. Whereas a compound which contains different phases of atom, it is called as the heterogeneous compound. Clear? As an example, for example, both atoms are soluble in nature. For example, we take the same quantity, like what? NaCl means sodium chloride in water molecule. It are soluble in nature. Whereas oil in a water molecule, it is called as a heterogeneous mixture. Clear? Homogeneous means same phases, both phases are soluble in each other. Homogeneous compound means a compound which have the same phases of a substance which are miscible to each other called as a homogeneous mixture. Whereas what is heterogeneous mixture? The compound which have different phases and it does not miscible to each other, does not mix to each other called as what here? Heterogeneous compound. For example, water and oil. It is a homogeneous mixture or compound. Whereas what here? NaCl is what? Salt, and water is called as what here? Soluble. So it is called as what here? Homogeneous mixture. Clear? So you know that first what we take the basics of chemistry, in which we take the first topic element. What is the element? So element is a substance which does not break into simple chemical reactions called as an element. In the periodic table, how many types of element? So in the modern periodic table there is a 118 element. And who discovered this modern periodic table? This modern periodic table is also called as what here? Long extended periodic table. He discovered by the what? The scientist called as Henry Moseley. Clear? Okay. And next topic with the atom. तो atom means a substance or it is a what here smallest particle of element which take part in the chemical reactions called as atom. Here C is the atom and O also atom. These two are atom and to form what here the chemical reaction. So the atom is the smallest particle of element which take part in the chemical reactions called as the atom. Third point, what is molecule? Molecule is a combination of two or more atom called as a molecule. Next, what is a compound? So what is the compound here? A molecule है ना? Okay. And with types of molecule depend upon the atom. If the one atom in the molecule called as monatomic molecule, if the two atom is called as diatomic molecule, if the three atom called as what here? Triatomic molecule, and more than three atom in the molecule called as what here? Polyatomic molecule. Now, next topic number 5 here, compound. So compound is a combination of two or more molecule called as compound. Clear? एटम का कंबाइन क्या बनता है बेटा? मॉलिक्यूल. और मॉलिक्यूल कंबाइन हो तो क्या बनेगा? कंपाउंड बनेगा. ठीक है. और द कंपाउंड हैव टू टाइप्स, होमोजेनियस एंड हेटेरोजेनियस कंपाउंड. इट द कंपाउंड व्हिच कंटेन सेम फेजेस एंड टू दिस सेम फेजेस आर मिसिबल, आर सोल्यूबल टू ईच अदर, called as a homogeneous compound, like for example NaCl and water. Whereas the compound which have different phases and these two phases are does not miscible to each other, it is called as what a heterogeneous compound. Example, oil and water, it does not mix to each other. क्लियर बेटा? तो हमारा बेसिक था हमारे इसमें. इससे पहले जो लेक्चर हमने दिया था उसमें क्या देखे थे आपने? टाइप्स ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, definition of chemistry. You know there are different types of chemistry: organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry. Depend upon the different types of definition we also discuss. ठीक है. तो ये आपको याद रखना है बेटा और आपकी बुक में इसकी नोट्स प्रिपेयर करनी है. एलिमेंट्स, एटम, मॉलिक्यूल, टाइप्स ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल, कंपाउंड, टाइप्स ऑफ कंपाउंड. ये 5 आपको जो पॉइंट दिए गए उसको आपको बुक में नोट्स तैयार करनी है. क्लियर है? इजी है. एक बार रिपीट कर रहे हैं हम लोग. एलिमेंट इज अ स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट, एलिमेंट इज अ सब्सटेंस which does not decompose into simple chemical reactions called as element. Second, atom is the smallest particle of element which take part in the chemical reactions called as what here? The atom. Second, molecule is a combination of two or more atom called as a molecule. Then next, types of molecule depend upon the quantity of atom: monoatomic molecule, diatomic molecule, triatomic molecule and polyatomic molecule. Next, compound means a combination of two or more molecule called as a compound. Compound have two types: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture, or homogeneous compound and heterogeneous compound. Clear? ये टॉपिक आपको बेसिक याद रखनी है. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.